Hey.
Welcome back. Again, as always, like our video and subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and then you can see all our other videos. So today we're opening up some more tins. I got a Blissey tin.
And I'm doing the
Gardevoir. Okay. So
just a little feedback. For the Mew that I pulled, the holographic, that was worth about $7 non-graded. And then the Venusaur and Snivy full artwork that I had as a holographic, that one is actually
$17.
Like $17.
$16.90 something.
Yeah, so not bad.
Not bad at all. So
Do you see this? You didn't get any evolutions in your Gardevoir.
I got my Blissey.
And I can already see an evolutions pack in there. That's crazy.
Of course, they probably didn't get
So, it seems like we've gotten a couple of these tins now. It seems like it's pretty randomized on what type of packs you get in here. So,
I got 2 team-ups.
Look. 2, 4, 6 evolutions.
Holy crap. 2 team-ups, 4 Sun and Moon, 2 X and Y Siege, a Breakpoint, and an Ancient Origin. Same cards I had last time.
Wow. 6 evolutions. These are double packed, but I didn't get any extras. 2 team-ups, so that'll give me 8, a Breakpoint, and an Ancient Origin. So.
Okay, so I'm going to get started with the team-up. Okay. Execute. Viridian Forest.
Nice, dude. That
and
was
a reverse
awesome.
hollow Persian.
You best believe you're getting a few Hardens from that Viridian Forest. Alright, and I'm going to do some Breakpoint. Not very familiar with this pack, but we'll see. Pokemon, it looks like I am familiar with, though, at least. So, Shinx. Frogadier. Spritzy.
Team-up pack. Okay, we got a Weedle. Spirit Tomb.
Nice.
Helioptile.
Alright, this one is Ancient Origins.
What a bust, dude. What a bust.
Inke.
Okay.
Blossom. Alright, a little bit something at least. And a reverse hollow Porygon 2. Now that's pretty cool. Don't have that yet, so.
Sun and Moon pack.
Gotta have them all, right?
Yeah, got to. Especially those Weedles.
Mm-hmm. Or the Zubats. Zubats are nice.
Or Woobats.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Dratini. Herdier. Oh. And a Lowline Diglett, dude. Gotta love those. Always a fan of Diglett.
Pokemon team up right here, folks. Tentacool.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm. Definitely not hot. Pokemon Communication.
Ooh, you gotta have that communication.
And reverse hollow Judge Whistle.
Judge Judy. Sun and Moon pack. Okay. Sandy Gas, dude. Energy. Palisand. Rare.
This is my last team up, and then we are getting to the good stuff then, folks. For me, at least. Blitzel. Brock's Grit trainer card.
Ooh.
And Squirtle.
Sun and Moon pack. Fomantis. Steenie. And a Morlul.
There we go, folks. The evolution packs. Diglett. Venusaur Spirit Link. And a reverse or a holographic Pidgeot Spirit Link.
You gotta.
Yeah, that may or may not be my kid crying in the background, but
trying to get.
I care about you guys just as much as my kids, so we're gonna keep this content going.
Just bear with us.
Yeah, my other brother's in the other room watching them, so he's not alone.
A free butter. Butter free.
Butter toast. Alright, guys. Charmander.
Yep.
Blastoise Spirit Link. Jeez, I'm getting them all, folks. And a Diglett. Nice.
Steam Siege. Dude, he wants you so bad right now, Joe.
Yeah, so do my viewers, though, so.
Oh, Grandpa's gonna go see him.
Grandpa to the rescue.
Hoppip. Pokemon Ranger. And a Nose Pass.
He just come out here?
He's going to.
Hey, Dad, he can just come out here. Electric Energy. Double Colorless Energy.
Yeah.
And a holographic Pokédex trainer card.
XY Steam Siege pack coming to you guys from me. Okay. Just a couple more packs for you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Clauncher. Driftblim. And a Meowth. Let's go.
That's right. Ponyta. Super Potion.
That's super, dude.
And a Drowsy.
First edition.
Yeah.
Where you go, Gabe?
Yeah.
Jeez.
One job, dude.
It's your freaking son.
Yeah, I know, but
I turned off the TV, told him that, and he just can't. He doesn't.
yeah, but I have viewers to, you know, make happy too. So
We'll make your son happy.
Hey, you hear that voice? That's our brother, Gabe.
yeah,
Honedge.
he's like a bug catcher basically. Dude.
Eat
He's
more.
like all them weak Pokemon.
And Ducklet, dude. Ducklet.
Water Energy. Ooh, full heal. Those are nice to have. And a Growlithe.
Happy feet, dude. XY Ancient Origins. Last pack.
Come on, come on,
Come over here.
come on. Help Daddy open this last pack.
You gotta behave, though.
Yep, no crime. I'm gonna help Daddy. I'm gonna help Daddy open this last
Okay.
pack. It's probably gonna be a Charizard.
Go Lurk.
Look at the camera. Can you say cheese? No crying. Hey, we don't cry on the camera.
Lysandre. And a Hex Maniac. Reverse
Nice.
hollow.
Reverse hollow. Alright, folks. This is my last one out of the evolutions.
Daddy's opening cards.
Let's hope it's good. We have a Voltorb. Hold up. Watch it. A super potion. We're almost done. And
Oh my gosh.
hey, look at that. Look at how shiny that is, Jeremiah. Hold up, stop. Be careful. Jeez.
The
My
holographic
holographic Machamp, man. Jeez. We'll sleeve that up. Well,
All right,
sorry
well,
for the disruption,
interruption.
but
He's gotta go
we,
take care of his kid now.
yeah. But thanks for tuning in, and yeah, we did all right today. Nothing too
He
great.
did.
But,
I sucked it up. Like and subscribe. So
Yep. And this is my son Jeremiah, and I'm gonna be putting him down for a nap. So, thanks, guys.
Yep. Bye bye.